Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess and I do natural hair videos. If you are interested in learning how to grow your hair long, healthy, and strong, consider hitting that subscribe button and then hitting that notification bell, and we'll be on the way to a long, healthy hair journey. Okay, so today I am going to be showing you guys how I trim my hair because right now my ends, like, do you guys see that? My ends look so nasty and trashy, and there is no way I can continue going on doing a wash and go or doing any type of hairstyle with my ends looking like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I do to trim my hair. So I did go ahead and shampoo and deep condition my hair with a protein deep conditioner. Since I'm going to be using heat and I have high porosity hair, I went ahead and put a little bit more protein in my hair so that way when I add the heat, my hair is a little bit stronger to deal with the heat. So yeah, I did that, and then I went in with the Melanin Hair Care Multi-Use Softening Leave-In Conditioner as my leave-in conditioner. I put that all throughout my hair while my hair was still wet, and then I went in. I got this off of Amazon for like $25. It took me maybe 30 minutes or so to use this. It does a really good job, but you can see that my hair is still not like bone straight or anything, but it does what I needed to do so I can get the job done as far as like trimming my hair. So cool with that. Yeah, and this is what I have. Now you can see how nasty and oh my God, this looks so bad. And you guys are always asking me about the shape of my hair, and honestly, it is layered. Okay, like the back is a lot longer. Oh, that looks so bad. But the back is a lot longer than the front. You see? So I kind of just make sure when I am trimming my hair that I kind of keep that whole angle aspect going on. I make sure the back stays longer than the front. And then it kind of goes in this little whole diagonal. You see what I'm saying? It kind of just goes down, and that's how I get the shape of my hair. Okay, so can we just acknowledge the amount of thickness and fullness and everything and length that my hair has? Like, I'm so hyped. But anyway, I can't be too hyped until these ends get under control because this does not look good. So yeah, I go ahead and this is going to take a while, okay? Like, it does take a while to do. I still go in section by section, and it's kind of just like doing a wash and go. I go in section by section, I comb it out. So you want to make sure that you are doing it when your ends kind of start to get a little see-through. You see, like right around here where it starts to kind of get frayed and a little see-through-y and everything. So realistically, I probably will cut So I'm gonna cut some more off because when I run my fingers over the ends, it's still kind of rough and bumpy. So that means I still probably have some single strand knots in there, and it's still kind of frayed out. You see what I'm talking about? Okay, we in quarantine, so let's not talk about my nails. Okay, I know I need to get them taken off, but you see how the ends are still kind of frayed out here? So now you can see it is a lot easier for me to just comb through versus before it was kind of a struggle. And disclaimer, I am not a professional. I just trim my own hair and I just do the best that I can. So I might cut off a little bit more than I should, but to me it's just hair, you know what I'm saying? So I just try to say, I just do it to where I'm like, okay, my hair actually looks good again, and it feels smooth. I go off of how my hair is feeling and how it's looking. And again, I say I just do it until my ends feel soft. So before, my hair, this little back section was probably like right here. And now it's like right there. So I didn't really cut that much. It looks like it, like when I was cutting it, but it's not. And like I said, look at my ends now. And I probably still have to go in and like cut more, but this is good for right now. This is good. And this also maintains the shape of my hair. Like I said, this also maintains the shape of my hair. Okay, so now that I have done this whole section right here, I'm gonna go in and just kind of get in any that I feel like I may have missed, kind of even it up some. You see, because that is uneven as heck. Okay guys, so I'm done and this is what my hair is looking like, and this is all I'm going to do. I probably could definitely do more, but I have a very bad habit of overcutting my hair, and then I will be complaining for the next 3 months that I cut my hair too short, and my friends are like, just shut up. So I'm trying not to do that, and so yeah, this is as good as it's gonna get for today. The last time I trimmed my hair was in November. Yeah, like I don't remember exactly the date, but thanks to Snapchat, the last time I straightened and trimmed my hair was in November. And then the time before that, I want to say was like maybe August or something like that. So I try to trim my hair every 4 to 6 months. August, September, October, November. I'm gonna say every like 3 to 4 months I try to trim my hair, like actually go in and really trim my hair. Also too, the fact that I didn't do probably as good as a professional would have done, that is another reason why I dust my ends every single time I do my hair. Like if I'm doing a wash and go, I will go ahead with my scissors. If I'm feeling some ends or anything that's feeling kind of straggly or split or single strand knot or anything like that, I'll go ahead and cut it. And that's the reason why, because I know I probably didn't do as good of a job as I should have, or like a professionally done cut or anything like that, which I mean, I'm not a professional, so I don't expect it to get it perfect and get every single split in. But you know, as I'm going through and I'm feeling my hair and everything, the ends don't feel rough anymore. I don't feel any single strand knots. And honestly, that's my entire goal. So yeah, I didn't show you guys this side because I literally did the same exact thing from this side that I did on this side. So same exact thing. I would probably definitely say I probably cut about 1 inch or 2 off. Maybe probably like a solid inch of hair. Yeah, it's probably like a solid inch of hair, maybe 2 inches in some places. How often do you guys trim your hair? Do you do it every 4 to 6 months, every 2 to 3 months? Like how often do you do it? Once or twice a year? I'm just interested to know how often you trim your hair, what methods do you use? I used to trim my hair curly, but then I would always cut too much hair. I feel like you really need to be like, you really need to know what you're doing to cut your hair curly. Like, I don't know. So that's the reason why I blow dry my hair. I don't straighten it, but I do blow dry it. And the next time I trim my hair, I think I'm gonna try to do it like do 2-strand twists and just cut off the ends that are like raggedy when I'm doing the twist. I've seen it that way too. So that's how I'm gonna do it the next time. I decided to trim my hair and see if I like that way better. But yeah, so for the most part, this is how I've been trimming my hair. Yeah, that is all that I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned something. Like I said, I'm not a professional, so maybe this will help if you're just a beginner. You could actually see how bad my ends look. Like they don't look super amazing right now either, but at the same time, as a beginner, if that's something that you're working on, being able to see what the ends look like, to knowing what it like when you need a trim is definitely something that you want to kind of like, that's something that you're gonna learn over time. So being able to see how bad my ends were, that was one of the main reasons why I wanted to record this video, was to show you guys that number one, I'm not perfect, and I know my hair always looks good. I know my hair always looks good and everything like that, but I'm not perfect, and my hair definitely gets some damage and split ends and single strand knots and everything like that. And so yeah, you just need to make sure that you're trimming your hair when it looks bad like that, and yeah, you're just listening to your hair. So like I said, that is all that I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.